Hi, it's Alex from Laughing Place here at D23, the Ultimate Disney Fan Experience, and we have a surprise box of stuff from our friends at Disney Consumer Products from Disney Style. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Oh wow, okay. I don't even know where to start. This giant Elvis stitch is speaking to me. It's a funny hug me. The Elvis little Jerry curl is super adorable. Roosevelt's, I'm obviously a fan. We've got some of their D23 launched items. This one I believe was called Magic and Mayhem. A lot of magical characters, including villains with superpowers. We've got the Heffalumps and Woozles shirt for any of you Winnie the Pooh fans. And then it doesn't get much more magical than Genie, who can do anything and be everything. And what I love about this shirt is the way it captures all of Genie's various forms, including band leader Genie from the Prince Ali sequence. From Joffrey's Coffee, we've got the new Mickey Mouse Classic Blend. They've been brewing it all weekend here at D23, so a lot of people got to try it. I haven't tried it myself yet, but I've heard wonderful things, so I can't wait to get caffeinated with that. From the Isle of the Lost book series, which has been very popular, an extension of the Disney Descendants franchise, we've got the newest installment. So this is Beyond the Isle of the Lost Wonderland, themed to the newest Descendants film, The Rise of Red, now streaming on Disney Plus, and with a huge presence here at D23. An adorable little Mickey Mouse plush. Disney Store recreated Plush Mountain for D23, and these were in the Crane Game experience, so that's super cool. A lot of fun. More Stitch excitement. This is Hawaiian Stitch serenading us in a really cute Hawaiian shirt. Really like the base. And this is again from Neca, who had a whole line of Stitch product here at D23 this year. Launched here at D23 is this really fun line of collectible mini sneakers, all themed and detailed. And there's two different waves that came out here. This has been really popular. A lot of people have been wearing them on their lanyards. We've got Minnie Mouse and Maleficent. Those are a lot of fun. Obviously, there's so many different characters to collect in this line, and so many people collect shoes for real, the big ones. So it's nice to have a space-saving shoe collection. And then Disney Lorcana, which just launched the newest wave, Shimmering Skies. It's been really, really popular here at D23. So this is an Lumin Trove pack. This includes everything you need to be able to play the game, plus a lot of great collectible cards. You don't know what you're gonna get, so I can't wait to open those up. And then this is a brand new mystery figure collectible series from Crazy Art, Disney Crystal Surprise. All of the minifigures have look like little gems. They're all faceted, and they all come with a surprise tactile experience for kids. Most of them come with like a compound clay or a kinetic sand, and you get to dig through it to find extra bonus items that correlate to the minifigure that you got. We got a little crystal Donald Duck. Swarovski is just around the corner. I'm sure they're getting jealous of this. And then little mystery items that you can put in his. Instead of a compound clay, it's like a gel. Thank you to our friends at Disney Consumer Products. Thank you to you for watching. All of these great products launched here at D23 this weekend, but you're gonna be able to get your hands on these at other retailers as well. So definitely stay tuned and take care. Bye.